Hey, well, hello YouTube, here with another Blu-ray unboxing, and I just got this in. It is the Caligula, the Ultimate Cut Limited Edition, released by Unobstructed View, in 4K UHD. So yeah, there's unboxing going. Yeah. Alright guys, so lots of controversy about this release. This label called Unobstructed View. Kind of hard to say that, but they advertised for a couple of months now that they had the 1980 theatrical cut of the film, and a lot of people were thinking the 156-minute cut. But to make a long story short, apparently somebody on Reddit found out about it, and they said that it was not the 156-minute cut, but the 150-minute cut, which I think is the UK version. So apparently the label had to put out a statement saying that they didn't really advertise it as the uncut, but I think it was on Diabolic's Facebook page that I saw that. And it's just a complete mess, and I think even Diabolic issued refunds for this release. So I have it in my hand. I mean, it's a nice slip cover on it, tell you the truth. That's the back. It is a 4-disc set. Now they say these are numbered in Roman numerals. Just a regular 4K case on there. Now here's the problem. Includes the 1980 theatrical restored version of Caligula, which was infamously transformed in post-production by its financier, Penthouse Magazine founder Bob Guccione. Now when you read that, you're going to think, oh, this is the 156-minute cut. But it's not. So got the CD right here, I think. Soundtrack. Let's check out the CD here. The Ultimate Cut in 4K UHD. And this one has the restored 1980 theatrical version, but it is the 150-minute version. And bonus features. Regular Blu-ray. So that's it, guys. You see right there the Roman numerals. I think I have 1817. I had to look it up. But yeah, kind of a disappointing release for me. They should have added at least a poster or a card in here, some lobby cards, but that's neither here nor there. You guys have to decide if it's worth getting. But if you like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and give me a thumbs up. See you guys later.